Good morning, everyone. This is Donna. I am doing just a real quick video here. Recently, I had upgraded my Embird to Embird 2021, and I noticed that when I was creating my color chart, it had this job information down at the bottom, and that's not something I typically include in my color charts for designs that I sell. So I'm going to show you how to remedy that. So when you go to export your detailed documentation, if you unclick this add job card and say okay, do your thread colors, and if you click OK here, when you do it, if you look at this again, you will see that now it is off of there. So if you are wondering how to remove that job card information off of your color sheets, just uncheck that. As far as I know, you have to uncheck it every single time you create your detailed documentation. I will continue to look to see if there is a way to do it without. But hopefully that will resolve the issue. So I hope you found this helpful, and we will talk to you later. Bye.